Well, what the fuck are you doing? You better hop in there.
Swag.
What a beautiful day to drive an S2K. Let's get it. I'll get the key fob fixed. I don't know if there's a battery in it or not. So, guess we're gonna have to manually open doors for now. Ooh, check out that nice carbon fibre. Let's go ahead and put the key into there. Oh, put it up there. Pushing the clutch. Push to start, baby. Wiggly boys. Turn this down real quick. Woohoo! Woo! What an experience. Everything is driver centric. We got the top off, of course. Goddamn. And that's carbon steering wheel. Always does it for me. About to get a little foamy up in this bitch. Whoa! Damn, bro. What kind of pills do you take to make it that creamy? Yo, they're letting me use the foam can, and I'm about to go wash this thing too, because it is a little dirty from when we brought it from Spokane. Woo! Ooh, hell yeah! Looking good, looking good. Look at that sunlight coming through the trees there. Such a beautiful day for this. Gotta wash the car, of course, because it's so dirty. Whoa! The Mustang's here. Slaying frame. Jesus Christ. What?
The bad side.
This is the bad side. Oh no. What happened to your fender, bro?
Too low.
Ah, yo.
You can just pull it right here.
Oh my god, what a lineup. What a lineup. What?
What are you doing, step bro?
Yo, I just ran into Industrial Hydraulics here. They have some really cool stuff, but Carlo needs airline for his car, and this is what I've been talking about, these clippers. These are super sick, and they just cut the airline perfectly so that you don't have like warping on the edges or any of that, so those are great. Look at Mount Rainier. Oh my god, bruh. Oh my god. What is this? It's so pretty out. There's Eric. It's right behind us. Woo! Alright, I'm throwing this old radio out. I don't know, there's something going on with my speakers. They're not playing music anymore, which is weird, but the sub is still working in the back. Carlos got this other, I think it's a Kenwood. Yeah, it's Kenwood radio head from the Civic over there, so I'm just going to use that. I'm going to put this down and see if I can get... This is a mess of wires. Like, there's just so much stuff going on in here, and this is a really old system, so we'll see what's up.
Anybody wants to roll with you.
Yo, dude. Nice. Looks good. Now we just pop that thing in and then pop this thing in and we're good to go. Another day, another crazy-ass sunset. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Yo, we got the Subaru, the WRX out here at T-Mobile. Look at this spot, guys. What? What? No way. Got the Evo. We're just waiting on Tony now. Tony's here.
Air up, bro.
Air up, bruh.
As high as you can go.
Drive it like you park it, bruh. You're good. You're good. Oh, you good. God damn.
I want you to have to go, bro. What the heck?
Yo, we taking rollers
shit,
right
dude.
now,
Is that a
baby.
combine?
Is it? Nah, we Gucci. Look at these starlights. Oh my god. I like your car, Carlo.
Thanks, man.
Hey, look, it's my sticker. Bing, bing. Oh my god.
And there's the cops. Act natural, act natural.
Act natural. Just smile and wave, boys. Just smile and wave. Alright, well, we're pulling up on the meet. There's so many people here already. Mustang, we got fucking everything. Look at that thing. Hello. Hello. cars here. Holy shit. There's another Evo! Evo gang? Shit. This is legit. Is that Nick? Is that my boy?
What's up, man?
What's up? How's it going? How many GTRs are out here? What the fuck is this? R35 Nation. There is Rachel with her 4G. Hell yes. What? Right there, yeah. Hey. Oh, look at that livery. Holy shit. That is something else. Alrighty, well, let's get it.
Smells like
Tire!
and burnt clutch, baby.
Oh no! Oh, look at this. Thomas would love this.
Oh yeah.
Advan Racing. Damn, Tony. Damn, boy. Woo! Oh my god. Holy shit. Is that a Jesus Christ, bro. Fuck it. NSX is clean. Love me one of these. OnlyFans. Oh, yo. Tape bar. Wow. Wow. Just listen to that turbo. Shit. Damn, Nick. Got upstairs parking and everything. Look at this thing, guys. Have not seen this car in like over a year. That's insane, bro. Our daily dose of... Is that a Supra? Nice. I love this color on an Evo. That is beautiful. It's got that exhaust too. Crazy, crazy. The full leather interior. Oh, so nice. So nice. Okay, this is by far one of the cleanest Jennies I've ever seen. Look at that fat intercooler in there too. Jesus. The headlights. Woo! Crazy, man. This is insane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here's the back end of this thing. Filthy. Look at those wheels. Oh my god. Whoa, hold on. God damn. Oh, it's insane.
Some sexy.
That is beautiful. Jesus Christ. Yo, we got Simon parked up next to us. That's sweet. Hell yeah, brother. Look at this Porsche, it's so clean. Goddamn. Look at this thing. Wow. I love this front end so much. I want it. It's got the wide body fenders too. Ooh, so good. Goddamn, bro.
Go.
Hey, Carlo, what you got there? Is that a fucking big ass microphone?